Hey guys, in this video we're checking out the top 5 best bass fishing lures for you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Terminator Super Stainless Spinnerbait. Spinnerbaits are a great tool for the bass angler. They can help locate fish and are generally used as a speed approach, allowing the angler to cover a lot of water in a short amount of time. There are many color options and different blade shapes and colors, and an angler is wise to carry an assortment. They are best used with a moderate to fast presentation. If you're looking for the right reel to match the presentation, we can help. The Terminator Spinnerbait is a personal favorite due to quality of components and overall quality. I tend to like models with both a Colorado and willow blade, and brighter colors for most water. You can add a trailing hook with a curly tail grub for more action, although I tend to prefer to only use this in a trolling situation. At number 4, Berkeley PowerBait Powerworms. Soft plastics, also known simply as rubber worms, work great and are a staple bait for bass fishing. There are so many ways to fish a soft plastic, and one of my personal favorites is to rig a worm hook weedless and wind drift it over weedbeds. This is a great way to produce fish on high boat traffic days when bass might feel skittish. Spinning rods and reels work great for this bait. Berkeley PowerBait Powerworms are my go-to bait and I almost always have a rod rigged for one. The scent trail off these worms catches fish, plain and simple. While other soft plastic baits to catch fish, I have had more luck with this brand by a large margin. They come in a wide range of styles, sizes and colors and I suggest having multiple with you. At number 3, Strike King Lures, KVD Toad Buzz Lure. Buzzbaits are a great surface bait that can work even in heavier cover. They run using a prop-style blade that splashes and carries on, making a huge target for bass to key in on. With their eyes close to the top of their heads, bass are very keen surface feeders, and love to grab unsuspecting frogs for dinner. That is what this bait recreates. With the help of bass fishing legend Kevin Van Dam, Strike King has developed a winner of a lure for skimming weedbeds and lily pads, even on windy days. This bait also produces pike hits, too. When fishing it, a fast, high gear ratio reel is the best. At number 2, Yo-Zuri Crystal 3D Minnow Floating Lure. Stickbaits are the longer version of a crankbait and have actually been around longer. The original Rapala floating lure is the best known, but I am extremely fond of the Yo-Zuri bait simply because of just how much flash and sound it adds to the action. These baits make an entrance with mirror-finished colors and internal rattles that make a tremendous amount of noise as the bait runs along. You can run them straight, which is highly successful, or you can rip them for even more action. They are a floating bait, but the added weight of the rattles makes them ascend a little slower than some other baits, which adds to the attraction factor. Finally at number 1, Berkeley PowerBait Gilly. Swimbaits took the angling world by storm a few years ago, but they've honestly been around for decades. They look and imitate a swimming fish, and give you options for presentation. You can simply retrieve it to act like a free swimming baitfish, or you can make erratic moves to imitate a wounded baitfish. Berkeley introduced the Gilly to the PowerBait line recently and it won Best New Product at the 2021 ICAST convention. I got my hands on some and right away fell in love with the look and feel of these soft plastic swimbaits. They have a tremendous scent trail and leave flecks of biodegradable glitter in the water that acts like scales being discarded by baitfish. The wiggle action from the rear of the lure is amazing and these bait produce fish. I only use gamakatsu hooks when rigging my baits, too. They are the sharpest I've used. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.